Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to recover WhatsApp deleted messages. So before you do it, you have to go ahead to your settings and you need to go ahead to your chat and make sure that your chat backup is toggled on and make sure that you auto backup every single day. So whenever something happens, God forbid, maybe your phone was damaged or you can't access the WhatsApp or you change your phone to another phone, so please make sure that you back up your chats previously before anything happens, right? So just click the backup right here, and the auto backup should be daily or weekly at least, because probably you're a busy guy or busy girl, or you have some of the important messages inside the WhatsApp, so you will need to auto backup daily, just in case, really. So after you back up and everything, just go ahead and log out, or just basically enter the new device, or maybe log out from the WhatsApp itself, and just go ahead. Let me just go ahead to the account right here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just try to log out by we won't find a button right here that says log out. So basically I'm gonna just hold the app and just remove the app and just delete it, right? And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back right here to the App Store and just search for the WhatsApp right here. Next up, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just check right here for the WhatsApp Messenger, re-download it again, and if you did, just go ahead and update it, and it will be actually forced to update to the latest version, so you don't have to make that step, right? After you download it, just go enter the WhatsApp, and the first thing they will ask you is your own phone number, and you're gonna confirm that this is your phone number, and afterwards automatically it will recover some of the deleted messages, including the message that probably you delete, just like, for example, I deleted this chat right now, right? It will be recovered after I log in to my account on WhatsApp. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.